Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. This is the last lecture on soft skills. 113. Topic is business etiquette. One message. No one can motivate you until you motivate yourself. You have to motivate yourself. No one motivates you. Coming to the topic, etiquette is conduct required for good behavior in social and official life. Etiquette is a conduct to be used in social and official life. Business organization needs English communication skills 87%, leadership skills 79%, business etiquette 73%, confidence 92%, positive attitude 91%, team spirit 88%, interpersonal skills 87%, industry specialisation skills 63%, body language 59%. Business world evaluates a person 55% by body language and appearance, 38% by verbal tone and 75% by verbal contents. Business etiquette is required for survival. Business etiquette is good manners. Business etiquette is code of behaviors that grounded in common sense. Business etiquettes, let us see. 1. Impression etiquette. Make a great first impression. A second's chance won't come to create a first impression. 2. Business handshake etiquette. Now it is Namaskar post COVID-19. It is physical greeting. 3. Introduction etiquette. Prepare to use Mr., Miss, Mrs., Ms., Doctor, Professor, etc. 4. Business card etiquette. Never leave your home without your visiting cards. 5. Body language etiquette. Body language. Always use a perfect body language so as to leave good impression in the market and business organization and become a successful leader. 6. Dressing etiquette. Wear formal suit. 7. Interview etiquette. 8. Language etiquette. 9. Business lunch or dinner etiquette. Message. It is strange that sword and words have same letters. Sword, words, same letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sword. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Words. Even more strange is that they have the same effect if not handled properly. 10. Electronic etiquette. Good manner required in using electronic means of communication. The electronic means are email, telephone, cell phones, etc. Behavior do's and don'ts. Don't touch someone of opposite sex in the business organization. Don't come to an event late when invited. Don't blow your nose in public. Message. Every husband gets a wireless net connection by default. It is called Wi-Fi. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.